Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing the Roche 2-in-1 blender, and in our box we find the lid, we find the grinder, we find the jar, and we find the motor for the blender. We're also going to be showing you how to use this blender. It is a 10-speed blender. That means you can use that blender from 1 to 10 depending on the speed that you want and depending on how smooth you want your juice or your smoothie to be, or whatever you're blending. So welcome. In the same box we find the manual that guides us on how to operate this blender. How to fit the jar: you just place it on top and turn it clockwise, ensuring that the arrow on the jar and arrow on the motor, they are aligned. So with that you can now place your lid. So with the lid too, ensure the arrow on the lid and the arrow on the jar aligns and locks perfectly. Otherwise, if it's not well locked, it will not work. This blender comes with the 2 safety locks, one on the lid and one on the jar. So to use it, you just press on power. Then if you want it on minimum, you press power, then minimum. Then you can start pressing the buttons for the speeds. If you want minimum speed of 1, minimum speed of 2. So that is how you control this blender. The smoother you want, the higher you go on the numbers. To place the grinder, you do the same thing. You just place it on top and turn it clockwise. So the grinder is good for grinding your cereals, spices, onions, and such things. On the other hand, the jar is mostly for juices. So separating the two ensures that your juice does not get a smell that you will not prefer, like onion smell. So that is it for our video. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to purchase this blender, you can always get in touch with Almar Designs on Facebook or Instagram, and you will find these blenders in their shop. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Come again. See you next time.